How to remove TikTok you may like suggestion. Well, in order for you to remove it, what you gotta do is, first of all, move into your application TikTok, enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now click on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Over here, it will show you all the suggestions of the likes. If you want to remove or change it, all you can do is tap on refresh over here. It will refresh your like suggestions. If not, you can go back and head over to your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then move into Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, head over to Account Center. And inside Account Center, head over to Search History. In this page, all of the search history that you have made will be available to you. In order to clear it, all you gotta do is tap on Select at the top right corner. And then select all the search history that you have made. Once you have selected, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Once again tap on Delete. And there you go, the search history has been deleted. Likewise, delete all the search history and it will also remove TikTok you may like suggestions. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.